In this video, we will show you how to set up and use DJI Mic 2 for the first time. DJI Mic 2 comes with transmitters, receiver, and charging case. The receiver can be linked with up to 2 transmitters. After connecting, you can record audio from devices such as your phone or camera. Press and hold the power button on the transmitter or receiver to power it on/off. For first-time use, language and time setting are required. The transmitter and the receiver are already linked by default. Method 1. Place the transmitters and receiver into the charging case to link them automatically. Method 2. Power on the transmitter and the receiver. Swipe down on the receiver's screen and locate the receiver settings. Tap Link Device. Press and hold the link button on the transmitter and start linking according to instructions on the screen. The transmitter is linked with the receiver when the system status indicator on the transmitter is solid green. The receiver can be mounted onto the hot-cold shoe port of a camera using the cold shoe on the receiver. Use a 3.5mm camera cable to connect the camera microphone port and the 3.5mm TRS output port on the receiver. Then, enable the camera's video recording function to start recording audio. DJI Mic 2 supports recommended camera setting, gain, and power on/off camera simultaneously. Swipe down on the receiver's screen and find the receiver settings. Then, swipe left to locate the recommended camera settings. Select the brand and camera model to complete the setup. Use a 3.5mm camera cable to connect the camera microphone port, and the current camera model will be displayed in the upper corner of the screen. If your camera is not in the recommended camera settings, choose None for the camera brand, and adjust the receiver and camera gain based on the monitoring situation. Power on/off camera simultaneously. Swipe down on the receiver's screen and find the receiver settings. Then swipe left to find power on/off camera simultaneously and enable it. The receiver will automatically power on and off with the camera. Using with a mobile device. The receiver can be connected to a mobile device using the mobile phone adapter. You can use the back clip or the clip magnet to attach the transmitter to a place like your collar. After enabling the mobile phone's camera or audio recording function, audio recording can begin. To monitor the audio recorded, you can plug the 3.5mm headphones into the 3.5mm monitor port on the receiver to monitor transmitter audio quality. Windows system. Insert the mobile phone adapter, Type-C, to the expansion port of the receiver, and connect the receiver to the USB port on the computer. Open the sound settings on the computer. Choose the input device to Wireless Microphone RX. Audio recording can start now. macOS operating system. Insert the mobile phone adapter, Type-C, to the expansion port of the receiver, and connect the receiver to the USB-C port on the computer, and find the sound settings in the system settings. And then select Wireless Microphone RX for sound input. Audio recording can start now. The charging case can accommodate a receiver, transmitters, mobile phone adapters, and clip magnets, and support device linking and charging. Connect the transmitter or receiver to the computer and place the downloaded firmware package under the root directories of the transmitter or receiver. When disconnected from the computer, the transmitter and receiver will start the firmware update automatically.